saan ba napupunta ang pera ng bayan? Today, I raised that same question regarding the budget that we previously allocated to the Philippine Coast Guard. Let us go back to 2023. It seemed that every week, the China Coast Guard was in the news and on our social media feeds. Their massive ships bullying, ramming, and water cannoning our Philippine Coast Guard and our fisherfolk out on the West Philippine Sea. Awang-awa po ako sa ating Coast Guard officials and personnel. Kahit anong giting ng tapang nila at wala silang kalaban-laban sa mga nagkalalakihang barko ng China Coast Guard. Thus, we as a Senate in the 19th Congress, particularly in the first regular session, allocated 2.5 billion pesos for a new ship that would better match the vessels of the Chinese Coast Guard. I learned that the allocation is no longer available to the PCG. Na-revert na po ang pera sa national government. Sino bang hindi maiinis nito, Mr. President? Di ba? Kawawang-kawawa yung ating mga Coast Guard doon na yun sa Zambales at sa Palawan na hirap na sila doon sa mga lumang barko natin, Mr. President. Tapos water cannon pa sila. Wala naman silang sapat na water cannon pabalik sa mga lumalaban o kumakalaban sa kanila. Tapos dito, naghirap po tayo. Ang Senado, hindi biro po kumuha ng 2.5 billion sa budget, Mr. President, para ilagay sa Philippine Coast Guard. Kaya sabi ko nga kanina, nung nalaman ko na na-revert pala yun sa balik sa national budget, parang natalo tayo sa digmaan. Hindi pa nga tayo nagkakaroon ng digmaan, natalo na tayo dahil yung pera, pondo na gagamitin sana sa ekwipo ay nawala. What a waste, Mr. President. What a pity for our men and women in the Coast Guard. We recognize their bravery and their sacrifices for their country. I salute all of them, every single one of them. We recognize their vital work for protecting our territorial seas, for our fisherfolk, and for our freedom of navigation. This is why we have been trying to find ways and means to modernize their vessels and equipment. We fought for the Philippine Coast Guard to receive this budget, and yet it has been wasted. I cannot fathom the slow-paced process of our procurement system. Mabuti siguro we should start using our oversight functions of the Committee on Finance and get answers to this issue, Mr. President. Again, is it because of corruption, pag-iba-iba ng mga requirements sa bidding to make people lose and to make certain people win? Is it ineptness na hindi nila napansin na ito ng date ay malalampasan na po ang yung paggamit ng pera at ibabalik na po yan sa National Treasury na hindi nabantayan? Is it incompetence? I don't know, Mr. President. And I don't want to impute any malice to our officers of the Philippine Coast Guard. But something is wrong. Siguro mag-hearing tayo. Doon nyo ibanggit kung anong nangyari. Sino ba may kasalanan? Ang DBM ba? Napakabagal ng pag-release nila ng SARO, pero na-release naman nila. Inyong procurement office ba ng Philippine Coast Guard? Was it the DOTR? Was somebody telling you to do something else? Tell us, because we want to correct it. We want to correct that problem, Mr. President. Talagang nakakahinayan. I'm so frustrated. And we were very proud that the 19th Congress, in the first regular session, all of us here stood 100% in all resolutions protecting the sovereignty of the West Philippine Sea. There was not one who voted against these resolutions in support of our men and women protecting the West Philippine Sea. We passed several resolutions, and yet this happens.